Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are still speaking on the Empreinte leather mini bum bags that are launching March 1st. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
Okay besties, so earlier this week I spoke on the black Empreinte leather mini bum bag that's coming out, and also on the bicolor mini bum bag that's coming out. I also spoke on the cream mini bum bag, but I didn't have pictures. So on today I am going to show you pictures and we are going to go over pricing. But first I want to tell you this, guys, we are still in the early stages, okay? A lot of things can change. You guys know how LV is and their production and how they release pictures out to get us all, you know, riled up. They send some of these handbags to some of the celebrities and they take them away. With this, I know for sure we are receiving. But when I speak on that, I'm speaking on the prices. We experienced some price changes. I mean, from the Atlantis handbags, also from the denim collection, and like I said, I have prices now, but that can change as well. But we want it to change for the good, meaning we want the prices to decrease. But the price I'm going to tell you today, I think is very, very fair, especially for an Empreinte leather handbag. And it's not a handbag, it's a bum bag. So for an Empreinte leather item, I think the price is fair. But if they want to drop it, hey, I'm okay with it. So here is the beautiful mini bum bag, once again in Empreinte leather in the color black. And also here it is in the bicolor. I showed you guys this. And we finally have a picture of the cream. And when I tell you, I am not a fan of any Empreinte leather cream handbags, but when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I need it. I want it. I need it. I even felt like that with the bicolor as well. I just think I'm just a fan of mini bum bags, period. But the cream is absolutely stunning. It's stunning. But yes, it does scream color transfer. And I am a person that loves to wear denim. So I don't see where this can fit in my lifestyle, but I want it. I don't know. And I'm not even saying it because it's cute. I'm saying because it's stunning. It's eye-catching. I mean, yes, we love Empreinte leather black. You know, I am team black when it comes to Empreinte leather. But this cream, I'm telling you now, it's amazing. It's stunning. And if you do pre-order, if you do purchase when February comes around, I totally get it. I totally understand. And I am sitting up here trying to figure out how I can incorporate it in my life. Okay, but as of right now, I am going to stay team black until I feel more comfortable. And you know, it's not a carefree handbag and I do too much, okay? But I just want to let you guys know the cream is stunning. So if you do purchase, I see why. Now let's get to this. This price, this message was dropped into my Marquita LV Luxury Facebook group. If you are not in the Facebook group, guys, where you can sell your handbags, basically we drop, gems, whatever we receive from our CAs, we share. We're very fair, we're loving, and it's no drama, okay? I will have the link to my Facebook group in the description box. Please feel free to share. And please feel free to join us as well. Okay, so back to the comment. This was dropped. This young lady said her CA told her the price is going to be $2,160. I originally in my post stated that it would be around $2,250, basically $2,250. Okay, I gave them some room. When she posted this, I was like, okay, you know what? That's a little bit low. Screenshot, let me send to my CA. I sent to my CA, and it took a while for her to go and do her research. Because like I said, guys, this is still very early. We are in 2023 still, okay? The release date isn't until, well, the launch date isn't until March 1st. So it's very early. I sent it to her. Like I said, it took a few days for her to get back to me, and she confirmed. She confirmed the price, but again, she told me, she said, Marquita, it's very, very early. Even though we are saying it's a permanent piece, prices do change over time. They do change. So let's just keep our fingers crossed that it's still going to be that price, because like I said, for an upfront leather, anything upfront leather, I know it's a mini. I was expecting it to be a lot more, but $2,160, guys, that's what we need. That's the price point, and it's under what I predicted, so that's better. And if LV wants to change the price again and take it down a little bit lower, which I know they're not, we are here for it. Because you know, the canvas mini bum bag, I believe it was a little over $2,000. I don't remember, but I have that in my collection. I am here to say, if we get this for $2,160, we all need to be in line. We need to be in line, and we don't need to complain. Let's not complain with that price, okay? So let me know how you feel about that. Also, now that we have the picture of the cream, are you team black, team bicolor, cream? And guys, let's not sleep on that bicolor either. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning, okay? All three. I would say you can't go wrong with any of these. To be honest, I want to purchase all three. But that is just silly of me. I am a mini bum bag lover. But someone also said we need reverse monogram. Guys, where's the reverse monogram print? Where is the reverse monogram print? So just picture the mini bum bag, guys. We just need just the top part. Just give us the lighter reverse monogram on the top. If you can't give us a full reverse monogram, just give us a little top. And then no vachetta, no treated vachetta. We don't want the dolphin leather color. We want black. We want a carefree mini bum bag when it comes to reverse monogram, okay? I was excited about that comment, and I was like, Marquita, calm down, because you know, LV, they don't give us what we want all the time. That's just them. And I also wanted to say this. How would you guys feel about another color in the mini bum bag, in the upfront leather? You know how they have the fuchsia. I'm not saying like the orange or the green colors like that. I'm saying like a pink. How would you guys feel about a pink mini bum bag in upfront leather? That's something different as well. But guys, everything was just playing through my head like, oh my God. I think LV is kind of listening to us, but then I don't want to get too excited. And I'm loving that they have kind of eased out the guitar strap. And no, guys, I've seen pictures of some handbags that are coming out. The guitar strap is not gone. I'm telling you guys that now. It's not gone. It is still here. But for the mini bum bags, we are safe. We have leather straps that are adjustable and detachable. And if you are purchasing the cream, please be careful with that strap going around the waist, guys. I'm telling you now, not even color transfer. I'm speaking on the oil and the dirt. I'm telling you now, guys, it's going to be something to deal with if you get that cream mini bum bag. But I still see, like I said, if you do purchase, it's very, very beautiful and it's stunning. So guys, that's a few things that I wanted to speak on. Most definitely the price. Again, $2,160. We now have clear pictures, the beautiful cream, the bicolor, and we also have the black upfront leather black, which my eye is on it because I have the OG and I would love to have them there together. And I also need to do my research. If you guys know at the top of your head, how much did we pay for the OG bum bag in the upfront leather in black? Was it more? Was it more than the $2,160? I have to do my research. Hold on. You know what? I love details. Let me do some research. Hold on. And guys, before we get started, also speaking on the mini Bumbag, the black Empreinte leather, I want to speak on this. I have been seeing so many people leave comments about the embossing that is basically fading and that you really cannot see the monogram being embossed on the black Empreinte leather. I am not experiencing that, and I haven't experienced it. I'm not sure if that just comes with use of using the Bumbag, or if it's just with time of sitting. Because like I said, I've used this, I would say 2 to 3 times. It's not heavily used in my, you know, wear cycle of using my Bumbags. I'm really a canvas lover when it comes to the Bumbags. But just looking over this, guys, the embossed monogram is still there, guys. I still feel it. It's not smoothing out. But I heard someone complain that they saw a picture of the embossing, the monogram embossed print, that is smoothed out and you really can't even tell that it's from Louis Vuitton. So if you've seen that, send me a picture. I've been looking for it and I haven't seen anything like that, but I've seen comments, and it's been more than one comment of people complaining about the embossed monogram on the Empreinte leather. And I'm not a fan of that. And guys, we pay too much for our handbags, and these are supposed to be luxury pieces, okay, that we are paying for. And if I see that, I am going to bring it to light, because that's a big no-no. I haven't seen it, so I can't complain about it. And it's not happening to any of my handbags. But like I said, I've been having this 4 years, 3 or 4 years now. And as you can see, it's in great condition. And I cannot complain. So again, if you have come across the embossing, the engraving with the monogram on these Empreinte handbags or Bumbags, please send me a picture or let me know if you are having that issue, okay? Okay, Bessie, so of course I had to grab it because it's just so beautiful and I love to show it off now, because at first I was going to sell it, guys, because I wasn't using it, but now I'm just so happy and thankful. I'm going to keep it. But I had to do my research, okay, and Google is most definitely my best friend. I didn't want to go through my file looking for it, but it's basically saying that this was $1,800. Guys, is it true? Like I said, I didn't want to go through my account and scroll all the way looking for it, but I am still later. But I just Googled, you know, what was the original retail price, and it's basically saying that this was $1,800 when it was first released. My thing is, which I have no problem, like I said, I don't want to complain. The mini Bumbag, they're giving us a pocket here, you know, at the front. It is smaller. But how do you feel about that little price? Do you feel that it's fair? The $2,160, I'm not going to complain, but the OG is much bigger and it holds much more. $1,800. So guys, you see how the price does increase over time. It's just something that we're going to live with, and I honestly think that it's going to get worse. We are in the luxury community. We buy luxury items. So guys, this is it. This is what we have to deal with. But as of right now, I'm going to take that $2,160, okay? I'm just wondering about the denim. Why was the denim so expensive? They dropped it some. They decreased the price some, but I still wasn't too happy about it. I have seen pictures floating around of the denim collection, and I wasn't too thrilled. Maybe I need to walk in and see some of these pieces. But I know for sure the black Empreinte leather mini Bumbag, you guys know I love the sporty look. I love jeans, and anything that's dealing with Bumbag, I'm here for it. I'm still not a fan of the high-rise Bumbag yet. How do you feel if that came out in Empreinte leather? With the bag tag on the front, I will go for that. With a black guitar strap, I would be fine with that. With the high-rise Bumbag, I need for the interior also to be black. I don't want any light color interior unless they give us a colored interior, okay? So if we had the high-rise Bumbag with that navy blue colored interior or that saffron colored interior, just like this, okay? If they give us this with the high-rise Bumbag with the Empreinte leather bag tag, and if they want to stay with the guitar strap, guys, I'll be okay with that long as it's black. because I don't have a black guitar strap in my collection, so I would take that. So how do you guys feel about that? Same gold hardware, and I just created a high-rise bum bag, guys, just that fast. So let me know, how would you feel about if they came out with an Empreinte leather? So far, guys, we have the canvas, we have the denim, so the only thing left is Empreinte leather. So I'm hoping that we get that. I think that I will reconsider the high-rise bum bag. Even though the denim, I was thinking about it, but the bag tag on the front, but the denim to me looks better than the canvas. So let me know about that, guys. You know I'm a bum bag lover, and if you are a bum bag lover as well, let me know in the comments, and let me know how you feel about that. I just created that high-rise bum bag in Empreinte leather. Would you be here for that? Okay, guys, so now that we have a price, we have all the pictures, let me know which one you are purchasing. Again, launch date is March 1st, so February the 1st, that's 30 days, guys. Pre-orders is going to be open unless you are a VIC and you and your CA have a connection. You guys know, we are favored just a little bit. And me, guys, I don't really think it's a big difference anyway. Like, I would rather go in to see the items except for pre-ordering and let LV hold my money. I'm really not a fan of them holding my money, okay? So, there's no real big perks to it, guys. We just find out information a little bit earlier, and we do have access to things earlier than others. That's it. But if you don't need that, wait till it hit the stores. Go in and try it on. Okay? So, guys, again, let me know how you feel. And if this is on your list, which bum bag, and how do you feel about me creating that high-rise bum bag? Would you be here for an Empreinte leather bum bag? Okay? And the high-rise bum bag, okay? The Empreinte leather high-rise bum bag. Would you be here for it? So, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.